We at RIDGID have realized something about our lifetime service agreement. It turns out when most people hear free parts, free service, free batteries for life, it sounds too good. Almost too good to be true. Surely there's a catch, right? But I'm here to tell you it's both too good and true. And easy. And really, it just makes sense. We trust our tools, and we want you to as well. You see, at RIDGID, we don't offer our LSA program because we think our tools will fail, but because we think they shouldn't. Because tools that can't do the real, hard work are about as useful as the basement of a treehouse. So, our lifetime service agreement means that any registered RIDGID power tool or battery that fails or breaks with regular use will be repaired or replaced for free. That's it, really. Frankly, we're surprised the other guys aren't doing it. But it seems like a good service agreement is about as hard to find as a 10mm socket. Maybe they don't trust their tools as much as we do. Regardless, we cover it all. Look, we're running a list over here, but don't try to keep up. It's literally just a list of all of the parts in any of our tools. We cover all of the tool, all of the time. Unlike the other guys who claim to cover every part of the tool, except for the part that breaks, or the day after the warranty expires. And you get all of this coverage with just a few clicks and filling out a few forms on our website. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's not complicated. 5 minutes to register for a lifetime of coverage. Really, if you're still using that tool when you're 85 and it breaks, we'll fix or replace it for free. Lifetime service agreement on every power tool and battery. It's in the name, so we actually mean it. So go out and buy RIDGID power tools, register them, and actually use them. We've got you covered. It's as easy as that.